Hello dear students. In this video, we are going to discuss about hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. Hydrogen oxygen fuel cell, most important question for board and competitive exam from electrochemistry chapter. That we will see its construction as well as its chemical equation part. We will see in this session. Okay, let us start. Here, actually, it is one of the important electrochemical cell, we can say. Actually, it contains two types of porous graphite platinum plates impregnated with platinum or palladium powder state, which catalyzed electrode reactions. Here, this is anode, and this side will come from cathode. Okay. In this, a concentrated solution of potassium hydroxide, whatever is there in the middle of the diagram, which is said to be placed in between the carbon plates, is an electrolyte. And one direction we will pass hydrogen gas. In the other direction, we will bubble this oxygen gas into the electrolyte through the carbon electrodes. The carbon electrodes with the fuel H2, this is H2 at anode, and the carbon electrode in contact with oxygen at cathode. So anode is in contact with hydrogen, cathode is in contact with the oxygen. So minus, this is left side we have anode is there, and right side we have cathode is there in this fuel cell. Okay. And the cell runs continuously as long as the reactants are supplied in this hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. What kind of electrode reactions will take place, we will see. We will going to observe some of the electrode reactions which are taking place at anode and cathode. Okay. So we will first we'll see the reaction taking place at anode. At anode, what kind of reaction takes place? We all know that at anode, oxidation takes place. Anode is in contact with hydrogen. You all know that this hydrogen is combines with the OH minus ions that are provided by electrolyte potassium hydroxide in aqueous solution, which will convert into H2O with the release of electrons. For this, we can take 2 moles of H2 if you want, and 4 moles of OH minus, and we'll get 4 moles of water, and liberation of 4 electrons takes place. This is at anode. At the same time, if you observe the reaction at cathode, which will be the reduction reaction, where the cathode is in contact with oxygen, and this oxygen is going to combine with H2O formed in the first step, and which forms the base by taking the 4 electrons. The base is 4OH minus. So if you just see both the equations, we have same number of electrons. If we add these reactions, equations, electrode reactions, we will get net cell reaction. Net cell reaction in this. The net cell reaction will be nothing but 2H2 plus O2, which in gas state, combines to give 2H2O. 2H2O. So if you carefully observe, the cancellation of electrons takes place, and water also balanced. OH minus ions got cancellation, and finally what we'll get is H2O, water in liquid state from hydrogen gas form, oxygen also in gaseous form. And in this kind of fuel cells produce actual electricity in efficiency of about 70% compared to the thermal plants whose efficiency is 40%. So what is the efficiency of this one is 70% is nothing but the efficiency of this fuel cell. This fuel cell. So fuel cells are used in spacecrafts as propellants. So where we can use we can use these cells in spacecrafts, spacecrafts as propellants, as propellants. So if you just give this information in the final exam, you will be awarded 3 marks with this explanation in the final board exam. Okay. Hope you got this idea how to solve this. Okay. This is what we're going to see in the final board examination. Especially in the final board examination, you're going to see this question several times asked. So keep concentrate on this model questions, the final board exam. Thank you very much.